Greetings and salutations, everybody! Welcome to another unboxing video on Polara-YT. Today, we'll be checking out this Hewlett-Packard 15-inch laptop, model 15DY5018CA. We got it yesterday from Best Buy, and I'm really excited to check it out. This laptop is a 2023 model, I believe, and it's in the natural silver color, which is the only color option for this model. By the way, just like my Galaxy S23 Plus unboxing video, which I actually filmed yesterday right before this is not going to be my new personal laptop, although that will be coming soon. Instead, again, it's my father's. Now, he's not really a heavy laptop user, so it doesn't have the most high-end specs as you can imagine. This laptop's processor is an Intel Core i5 with 16 gigabytes of RAM. 512 gigabytes of storage, integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics, and a 15.6-inch Full HD LED display, not a touchscreen. This laptop comes with Windows 11 Home, which also means that this is the first computer we ever got with Windows 11. On Best Buy Canada, the regular price of this laptop is $800 with all the specs that I just mentioned, but at the time of purchase, there was a $150 discount, so we got it for only $650. With that said, let's unbox this laptop. I'll be honest here, I really don't like this packaging design. It's not just for laptops, but for anything really. It's like a carton of eggs. It also doesn't really smell great. We have a 45-watt charger, product information, and I believe that's it. Actually, I just realized this is not a booklet. It's like an envelope. It contains the setup instructions in both English and in French because this is in Canada. Now, I won't be doing the setup because, again, this is not my laptop. Ooh, looks pretty solid. So here it is, the HP 15-inch laptop with a very complicated name. Now, as I said, it has a 15.6-inch full LED HD display, which is not a touchscreen, and a 720 pixel webcam on the top. I really like the silver color and design, very modern and fresh, except for the screen. On the left side of the device, we have the power cable input and two USB-A ports. Boy, am I getting jealous. On the right, we have an HDMI port. Okay, now I'm getting really jealous. And also a USB-C port, which no is not compatible for charging with. We also have some light indicators over there, and on the corner of the device, we have an SD card slot and a headphone jack. The bottom has some pretty large rubber stoppers compared to a lot of other laptops I've encountered. It goes across the whole laptop as opposed to 4 on each corner. And I also like these vents on the bottom. Here's a little keyboard sound demonstration, but I don't know if the microphone quality is good enough for this. We'll see. You be the judge. Alright, now that that's all done, let's charge this laptop and boot it up for the first time. Okay, let's finally boot it up. Oh, there we go. Just a moment. Alright, there we go. My first experience with Windows 11 on November 15th, 2023 at 7:35 p.m. Colorized. Also, I love how there's an English United States and Francais Canada, but no English Canada. What's up with that, Hewlett-Packard? Once again, this is not going to be my personal laptop, but that will come in a few weeks. I really cannot wait for it. Having said that, again, I won't be setting up this laptop. My father can do it himself since it's his, so I'm just going to repackage this laptop. Now, I know this is going to annoy some people, and I'm sorry in advance, but I am not going to be repackaging this laptop in the same exact way it came because I hate the egg carton packaging. I'm just going to throw it away. So that concludes the unboxing video of this HP 15-inch laptop with a very complicated name. I hope you enjoyed. Please like this video if you did, and subscribe to get the latest updates of new Polara YT videos. I'll see you next time for another video. Goodbye.